Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
We are watching me from. I remain your brother, your friend, Dada Massis. First of all, I want to say big thanks to Mama Monica Lobo Iyeki Wambili. Thank you for the life of Mr. John Ibizugbe. God will bless you, madam. Because this boy he don't suffer for social media. As he suffer rich for social media, his face not show. Johnny Bizugbe, your face not show. Mommy Monica, lobo Iyeki 1 billion abi osalobo afian boy. For you to feel breathe this boy face come out for social media, for some people to still see him. And not be everybody does still see him. The noble people never still see him, but at least Monica Lobo, you try. For years, or they parabolated. I say a face not show could be like close to 5 years of Wajina. A face of them show. Or I want to buy Monica Lobo wow. You win the best uplifting of the year. Because don't wear. Johnny Bizugbe cannot joy yaji. He face if for not still show. Johnny Bizugbe do. I was not really, because I was not saying now the way you see your do go because you're the way I want. Johnny Bizugbe do. How many were me with me? How many may we drag here? Do we have anything in common, or do we have anything we are dragging? Johnny Bizugbe katama when swinging me with video where he was swinging we walking me. What do we have in common? We are not in the same category. We are not in the same place. De Monica Lobo keke Timoge no salobo afian gbeyan ni anama. We ko be nu ke suse we live video na. Ifesi we ma show. Umajo umare. Amai we ko be na ko be nu ke suse. Ko always gay. I will not on one so fast with social media. What so fast? I don't know where the na one bushman from one bush place. Ko be nu carry live video. Now you be the person made us suffer pass. Would you jack with social media? Who are with video? Who me attention? Who are with video? I mean, wait away. Johnny Bizugbe, I mean video now. We say, oh God will bless you. You dey speak. Who we inuta ewe we una gege swan jump here mere. Inamati weji because you want to be relevant. Because you want to be relevant, you jump into issue and you don't know how come about the issue. So what is Yahweh compare me? Ne jump into conclusion. De Monica Lobo keke Timoge no saloba afiangbe. E face where you show till 2028. Your face for not see show. And not till now when I get yourself. E face where my you show. E face where my Johnny Bizugbe do. Ike go where one. De iwe ni kakpo me Monica Lobo keke Timoge ni ana etili face we la ja mudane Johnny Bizugbe do la wo we me degi metemi rugwa la keke iju wa la de we live video abi we me de we ekenia na taina la we na ya contribute wo de no we dey apologize ni rugwa la wuji uju wa la ba wa we si ipe ani wa we si yan like social media ikan ogbeti ohun ikan without talking people's issue anything no it we live video no how make everyone wash it well without prognosing on people issue you can never be relevant on social media. May God bless Monica Lobo and his team for even making people who know if person like you exists on social media. It over with social media now. Abu miamiane. We me Dada Masisi made over where. When you can answer me, I swing wherever. That is what you know. Both home and abroad. Both Europe, yeah, both Africa. You can answer me Dada Masisi. When you guys swing wherever. Wake up. What is your problem? Most make sure don't know when you beg wala would you wala keku wala buy. Have you please people watching me? Have you ever seen me see they talk wala matter and whether I know man no go use kind word whether they say I don't know what people they call them for social media whether they say bullying, be insult or adulterous. Have you ever seen me contributed or where they are insulting Eruwala or where they are talking about adulterers or where they are talking about people Ijuwala and Eru? What you What you call my beg Ruwala with you for? Johnny Bizube, American no EJ, my brother. What is your fucking problem with Dada masses? If you know that you have anything to do with me, tell me. I will apologize to you. I will tell you, okay, oh, sorry, my brother, I need to help you. But I don't know when he apologize in Eruwala. Who can make Eruwala? Who can make Eruwala? Ni can apologize in any way. Divini Eruwala, we do wala kek wala ni can apologize. Why you want to bring dignity people? You would want to bring their name to social media. Neni tik way to benania. Any man get to do a consequential. Any man get to drag any to the moon. What is your fucking business? What is I said what is then I don't want to insult. What is your problem, Mr. Johnny Bizu? They know when he beg no get the video no how video can we training. And you get that means that day among people may call they cause Wala, they call people adulterous woman, they cause people say they be this thing. Oh yeah, that kind of thing. Now say my name was mentioned there. People go there to say, oh Dada, you go they claim God sent. Meaning you have once caused Papa Wala, you have once caused Mama Wala, you have once caused Wala, or call a married woman an adulterous woman. Johnny Bizugbe do many eh. I don't want to use some vocal. Johnny Bizugbe, get loud we me away, get. Don't mention my name again on your live video. Oh, a face where my show, your face not show. Can I cook where you know we no the face or show where we are cool where you are. Your face not show. Now then Monica Lobo keke timore. We may know who how we don't want all you just say with social media now we know. What is so fast? Who we get a new job? Who we so far? Cannot suffer with social media now we naria word in it, my brother who we get suffer. Who you get? Una be Monica you see Monica Lobo keke timore keke a lovers or any maya we me because they who will take four gay a dedegbe wa yo ni Monica Lobo keke timore wa yo ne because they my brother we to bunego I mean we ata I mean your pa no ti lulu we ladian ne 10 people ayaga video go we or arin 20 or arin 5 when they Monica keke timore I mean no ata no we ati agada 1,000 followers talk let's see why do monetize gay wa ede awagbe uwa vigwe we ye vayo uwa leru ni Monica Lobo keke timore because you have one word as in you know your face not show you not get words of mouth you not get your face not follow now women words of mouth now then we ata ni 1,000 people cannot follow where they we ado ye gbo we compare minute I to beg you no page ni Dada gather with his own mouth if you really we can walk winner I be sorry I was just because when we page from more than office when we page ni may gather with women who we vie who ya ye gbo we compare men why ya akpon me Monica we etimore o lore this is consequential na this irrelevant person this unkept this uncircumcised he or I don't know what I don't want to use some word of they need to know now when he apologize in Eruwala with you wala. What have I said to these families? Have you ever seen me do a video about these families? What is wrong with this I must be relevant person? I must be relevant. It can answer need Dada masses. Ya tobo we ya verify atamawe. I swear you ever 1 million times. It really work it bad, Mr. This man. What is this man's problem? Always calling my name. Immediately the video was done 3 days ago, and today I swear to God who made me. I might not make sure people 2 persons may send that for me say, Dada, you don't first go insult Papa Wala, you don't see come married woman adulterous. You don't go insult Mama Wala before. Now say me. He says see person may talk and this inconsequential stark trait from the pit of hell. Now he send the video for me. Now go watch and listen here for talk and say, Dada masses, all of you must come and go apologize to Eruwala, apologize to any boy a bit to bear boy. why will you be lying on me on bloody light like this? Una topic, my brother Lawa. Must you be calling people's name we they do wala in and the family that's something okay. I mean na person never will talk about you wala once, talk about you wala once. I never will talk about another person, an adulterous woman. I never open my mouth talk. And why should I be doing all those stuff like that? When I know I have woman, I have wife at home, I have children, I have families. Why should I be calling somebody adulterous or bully somebody's family or bully somebody's husband or person's wife? Johnny Bishop, a red work back, one look a very, very stark and a very unkept. Without with that glass in a way, he get big and get toy with move. Without with that glass of money, which kind of bush recipe this one? When I made me deal like that with boy, when I made me deal like that with boy, what were you, my brother? Where were you? Where married? And then we talk me a bit of block. What is all these things now? Why should you be calling my name among people that is bullying somebody's family or anything that have to do with bullying on social media? What back I'm bossing with social media now? I be and then we talk here. Who got some who ya comported boy? Why can't down quite on mission need dada nada. What way? I'm new way am I, Mr. My brother? I'm new time then I will apologize. Are you normal? What is all this bullshit all about? Then Monica Lobo keke itimoge. When get face with my show here. I don't wear with social media now. What is your contribution so far on social media? Then Monica with Tim Morgan, no more face well like that. Are you insane? What is wrong with this tack and this unkept bastard? When I go do you think a reasonable person can listen to your video? When I go meet who so tier bomb or tier board or tier big family tier board or a normal you might be all ye bogaga. Are you insane? In your boy. Company I'm a president, you know. Do you see did I'm a president? Did you were president? Whether you may go drag the way my president, do you see I drag anything with you? What is this mad problem? Always dragging my name on social media. The person that have dragged my name so far on social media that lead to all those maybe few days. Me, in when may I apologize in Egypt. I wish I do one. I know me, I'm very good in apologize. I go apologize. My woman, he might tell me adulterous. He might tell me you wala there. He might tell me you wala there. He might tell me wala there. Why are you bringing that man's name up? They attach my name, they join that man's name. I don't hear that your stupid, inconsequential, irrelevant, and stark illiterate video from your gutter mouth. Though they feel say that is really that you have once insult person's family. Get Johnny Bishop, I beg you in the name of God. I have Monica Lobo heard something about me and she did live video. Instantly I called her. My way I go said to agree verses of him. We talk as a brothers and sisters. My one is there. I saw video on my own. He making dana. Man, I'm sure you mage or Betty no go. I'm very dirty. Oh boy, very dirty. You might be so far. Almost to swing that. We may manage to no more. No, why you tired? This way go do live video. He said, "Let me go apologize to you. Wala, and you wala say me bully them. Me that massive. Johnny Pisugo. Enu ya no hard bone. Di me need that massive see they bully on my live video not there. Di me they bully on my family issue on my duata. Or where do ata, or the ferry do ata, if you may do ata, enu believe in enu tani or say, Deo iman, Kobeni Aketemeru, wala keke wala, imagua, imaba weve, rualao, ijugalao, neneo, adulterous, women mad that enu jetting on dick bone. No. What is wrong with this idiot? This inconsequential. I should not use some vocal word here. You are older than me. So why are you always calling my name? You are older than me. So why are you calling my name for me to be insulting you? Do you think I'm like you that insult people? Do you think if they to my mission in when you apologize in Iruwala, do you think I will come out and talk to you because I know you are inconsequential? You just want to be there. Finally, Monica Lobolobo and his team have make your face show in some part of areas. And when it comes to vital issue, a face where my issue, so you need to team work hard. Anyway, you are board. Anyway, you are that body ni where yes. Anyway, I where your name show. Johnny Bizugbe name show. Anyway, my issue. Where my anyway my issue. Are you saying? Do a tini my brother la wo la zomo bo we kun don't where who we man swing your man umana jump into people's privacy issue on social media. Nobody view you, nobody watch you. Only can't pani amu can with no saloba na blessing Monica with a fans of her where in say where this kind of bush Johnny Bizubena. They tell Monica with a fans of where he will the suffer the when I suffer with social. Okay, no woo. Okay, no woo. Oh, we can hear what do I mean? A page here was built. A page me got the got on our yes, one week bebu. A bebu see you jail. Then Monica with fans of no do adopt. In adopt way. And woman lawyer, the bimo pania with social media now. We are what digwe. What for me? Monica fans take it. Monica Lobolobo take fans of we are what is your problem? Oh, when you may have beg you wala keki you wala keku wala. Ask me, what concerns me with those people's privacy? What is my business with anybody's privacy? What can I order anybody who anything determine? What is my deal with that? What can I? Because anytime I no make sure kagu wegwana, reply video when go work by gagwan, ado afik be go beani, or ado afik be a Monica no magiwe. Over there we obono go so agboa. This boy don't to suffer for social media. He face no show. He did not know. I beg more assistant. He boy Monica unwe. So if video no na inya ha go e boni e go nya table ne inya do agwe man ni to tagia ado agwe Monica gwa ado agwe du wala gwa. And all those people will not take it. Imagine no make sure any nya. They will not take it the way me are taking now. Say let me your face because inya no make sure any nya. Inya ma give you just want to be relevant because you are inconsequential. What is wrong with this son of a bitch? My brother alive with Biswini, man. Tamawe, with Biswini, man. Tamawe. I don't forget, man. You forget I'm a beg. No, you know what to make me come because Iruwala is a noble man in Edo State. Whether anybody like it or not like it, and he's a man of himself. How can you feel that they'll call you tomorrow say that masses? Moidu abuli Iruwala. Na mi ko de insult Iruwala or Ijuwala or Ipiki. Dit papa wala ni yekwa kan no de to Iruwala wa ode. When de ti ma Iruwala to tania. When de ti yon one on one ya. Then you want you come out for social media you do we am I we okay pa ye dore. You go kick back. Even when we bonu jenana I raise social media where you fond a bad level, you fond a bad link, you fond a meet people me never but all we a level a link where you am me fe. I wish sister negbe agbana no with you where my brother God will bless you. No we are not gwale the way because we can okay when we like social media now u gba okoto u chanu adiyan wa banyan wa. Ogo we me what we need ya Iruwala imiji wala keku wala. So pa lawo. Na jemweji ni ge ba wa oge. Iruwala Ijuwala eno okite big denita. Imo bowo imantine wa de. Oh Lord, this I beg you guys. Monica Lobolobo and Monica team, God bless you now because if not be on this boy, now so for the roaming around for social media. Honestly, if on a say any issue may not concern, I'll jump here. You go, I'm the social media president, Imagu Wedra. I'm the elect social media president, Ekenu Joji. I'm the elect social media president. Then one day, Monica way, a team no don't me face where you should. Who était faux? What get social media take me away. Or to work me away. To do that, I beg you. I can never insult any neighborman from Edo Kingdom or a Benin City. I can never talk on people's private issues. I can never bounce into your privacy. I can never insult children. I can never insult wealth. If not be this motherfucker, before you talk to her, now your wife you go dey insult, now your children, now your papa or your mama, to show how local it is. Very local person. Very local. Okay, go where spiritual, where rock. On a gili mege no time matter, ni spiritual no tani no gili wina. Do no go to wa swing me. Spiritual no take bon. What is strong with this? So what is this man's problem? Now, tenene ni wa mention ni Monica, mention ni wala, mention ni iju wala. Inya ni de kenu so ni yan any how to reply when me nya gu wegwa. Eru wala no okba ni mayaju okba no wetuje domu no eko to target keke Monica no eko take care for family ore any ka ya agugwa. Inya me okite obido kige any magiwe. We ni many data masses. The mayor beg you wala, beg you wala, beg wala, beg for what reason? For why? Di me now offend on wakata mameni beg ya. Do you think you are more smarter, educated, and wiser than me? You that is very stark, unkept or circumcised, a monkey that have a very, very long tail, very inconsequential social media presenter. You are very inconsequential social media presenter that I've seen so far. Are you insane? Are you normal? What would me beg you? Well, yeah, beg you, but yeah, what have I done? I beg my brother in me away. There is when he may now offend anybody. Or what time I'm more to bomb me. More to bomb me. Did not offend anybody, and I know I've never offended anybody on social media. What is your problem?